We are on the Golden Bridge. Look at this it's a bridge, you know. And then down there, as you can see, we're still in the fog. That's how high up we are. Think I'm flying my drone? Can't fly. I went back to see it. Me and Mumsy on the Golden Bridge. Mum, come. Oh. Look, we're that high up. It's mad foggy, but take it in. These is a magnificent structure. 1 minute, we're taking a picture now. Right, do you know what? What time did we get here? Midday. And it isn't too busy.